We are animals, descended from ancestral animals, and never became great early animals of all the features that we share.
I am an animal. Animals are multicellular. This means that the individual is not the single cell. Instead, it is many cells acting collectively as a group. So, somewhere animal ancestors began to cling together and function as a group because they could make collagen, a protein outside the cells that they could cling to. They started to make a number of junctions expressed at the cell membrane which could hold cells together. And so we are multicellular. Now, plants are multicellular, but unlike plants, we do not obtain energy through photosynthesis. Fungi are multicellular, but unlike fungi, we lack their cell walls and the ability to decompose material. We animals obtain our energy from other organisms. We are predators, more or less, obtaining energy from other living things. The simplest animals, such as sponges, lack many of the specializations which more advanced animals possess. But there are a number of features which unite the animals, whether they be genetic features or some genes used in the muscular system, the acrosome on sperm and large ova from the reproductive system, a number of features of the immune system. These are features which all animals share.